Hi ladies, welcome back to my channel. Today we are channeling major Sabrina Carpenter vibes with the ultimate bouncy blowout tutorial. So here's what you'll need. A curler or a Dyson Airwrap. I would suggest using a curler, but mine has been like turning itself on and off when I'm trying to use it lately, so I think it's on its way out. So we're going to be using the Dyson Airwrap today. A wide tooth comb, heat protectant spray, medium-sized velcro rollers for that dreamy bounce, crease-free clips, sectioning clips, a teasing brush or a fine tail comb, hairspray and texture spray to lock it all in, a straightener for those finishing details, and of course, your favorite hairbrush. So grab your tools, turn up the Short and Sweet album, and let's get started. First things first, we're starting off with 1 to 2 day old hair. If your hair is clean, there's a chance it's going to be too soft and it won't actually hold the volume or the shape of the curls for very long. Use your brush or your wide tooth comb to detangle any knots and apply your heat protectant spray all over. This is so important to keep your hair healthy and shiny while we're using heat tools. Give your hair a quick brush through to distribute the product evenly. Once that's done, we're sectioning the hair into 3 parts, top, middle, and bottom. Use your sectioning clips to pin up the hair that you're not working on. We're gonna start with the bottom layer and then work our way up. Now it's time for the fun part. Using your Airwrap or curler, take about a 1-inch section of hair and curl it in towards the face. Or if you can, try and hold it horizontally to really get some lift at the roots. Hold the curl for about 8 to 10 seconds before gently releasing it. And the tip here to get the bounce that Sabrina has is to really tuck your hair under, really curl the ends. You don't want to have any straight ends. Now, once you've curled a section, you want to roll it up with your fingers and secure it with a clip. Repeat this process until all of your hair is curled and pinned up. And on the top layer, we're curling our hair towards the front of the face, and we're also adding in some Velcro rollers for that extra height.
Don't you let me down. I'm not a player, I don't mess around. You seem nice, I kinda like your smile. Do you drink tea, can you stay a while? Someone told me that you're kinda sweet. I'm not a sucker for that kind of thing, but when you order lemon ginger tea, that was a moment that changed everything. I gotta feeling, you and me and you, you and me. I got a feeling.
Now that your hair's all rolled up, give it a light mist of hairspray to lock in all those curls. Let your hair sit for 10 to 15 minutes while you finish your makeup, pick out an outfit, read a book. Let's be real, you're probably just gonna scroll on TikTok.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Once the curls are cooled, it's time for the big reveal. Gently remove the clips and rollers one by one and be careful not to pull on your hair. Look at that bounce already. Fluffy look, we're going to take our wide tooth comb and we're going to just lightly break up the curls. Next, we're spritzing the dry texture spray into the roots and also the mid-lengths just to really amp up the volume. Now Sabrina does this really 60s thing with her hair where she tends to keep her bangs either centered or she'll have them just slightly off-centered. And then she has a major side part flicking over behind the bangs. So following the VMA's look as our inspo, we're gonna draw a part on whichever side you prefer and then flick it over. Give it a little tease at the roots from underneath for even more volume and smooth over with a comb. Sabrina's bangs are really curled curtain bangs, so this is where you want to grab your straightener and really curl those bangs under. Even if you don't have bangs, you can still do this with your front section of hair and then just sweep it off to the sides. Also, if you notice any uneven sections, this is where you can go in with your straightener and smooth it out. Finish with a final spritz of hairspray to set it all in place, and now you've got a Sabrina Carpenter inspired blowout. And that's it, ladies! You've officially mastered the Sabrina Carpenter bouncy blowout. Don't forget to tag me in your recreations. I need to see how it looks. And if you love this tutorial, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see some more. Also, let me know in the comments if there's any other looks that you'd like me to try. I shall see you in the next video. Bye!